Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it with a voltage tester. Safety first, so you don't learn the hard way. Once done, remove the faceplate and loosen the mounting screws to access wiring. Make sure to strip about 1/2 inch of insulation and separate the conductors so you can clearly identify hot versus neutral and the ground. Keep screws and parts organized on a magnetic tray. This saves time and prevents dropped tiny parts behind the box. Now you connect the wires to the socket, hot to the brass terminal, neutral to the silver, and ground to the green screw. This ensures correct polarity and safety. Loop each wire clockwise under the terminal screw so tightening draws the conductor in rather than pushing it out. Tighten until snug, firm but not destructive, because over-torquing can damage the screw or strip the wire. Once connected, fold the wires carefully into the box with smooth bends to avoid. Finish by mounting the socket to the box and securing the faceplate, then restore power at the breaker. After power is back, test the outlet with a receptacle tester and also plug in a known working device to confirm the hot and neutral are correct and the ground is present. If something fails, don't panic. Turn the breaker off again and recheck terminal tightness, wire placement, and that the tester is functioning. That single troubleshooting tip, verify connections under no power, solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.